Hello everyone, welcome to GRE question of the day. Today we will discuss a question on linear equations and inequalities. As you can see, our today's question is a quantitative comparison question wherein we are given that 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 6 and also that minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2 into zy divided by z plus y. Next, we are given two quantities A and B such that A is equal to Z and B is equal to X. And we are asked to find if A is greater than B in all cases, that is option 1, or if B is greater than A in all cases, that is option 2, or if A is equal to B in all cases, that is option 3, or if the relationship cannot be determined from the given information. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 3. That is, the two quantities are equal. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So it is given to us that 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 1. Now it is also given that minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2 into zy divided by z plus y. Let us call this equation 2. Now on simplifying, we see 1 by 6 is equal to zy into z plus y. That is, now let us take reciprocals on both sides. That will give us 6 is equal to z plus y divided by zy. On further simplification, we'll see that 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 6. Thus, we see from equation 1 and the modified version of equation 2 that 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal in value to 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now, on subtracting 1 by y from both sides, we see that 1 by x is equal to 1 by z. And if we take the reciprocals, we see that z is equal to x, or a is equal to b, thus giving us option 3 as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.